My name is Shauna Steele. I am a New York City-based model and overall artist. I call myself the Alien Mermaid Barbie. I have a passion for indie makeup and especially colorful indie makeup. And I also love to feature Black-owned makeup brands, clothing brands, Black-owned businesses in general. I have been wanting to do a YouTube channel for many years, and mainly because of fear, I have been putting it off and putting it off. I am a perfectionist at heart, a typical Aries, if you want to get into details, Leo rising and Virgo moon. But it's time. It's time to just do it and start, and I think that that's one of the biggest lessons that I've gotten in 2020 is to just do something. If you are passionate, if your heart is calling you to do something, just start it. There's no better time than now. So I'm about to get into this. I want to do a typical Alien Mermaid Barbie look, which is very colorful, very pigmented, and definitely a lot of different colors. I typically use 8 to 10 eyeshadows in any given look. I just love color. I love putting lots of different colors on my eyes. So let's get started. So I have gone ahead and done my base. I have, for the past 2 or 3 years, been using Pacifica foundation as my base. So I use this Pacifica liquid color, liquid cover, full coverage, lasting concealer, and the shade that I'm currently using is 20NF. I sometimes use the 17CF. I honestly usually can get away with using cool or neutral tone undertones for foundation. But yeah, that one is great, and this one is actually nicer if you want a little bit of a brightening effect, because with the color that more matches my skin tone, it's just gonna even out the skin tone in general. And then for the actual foundation, I am in Cool Light 36CL. And again, I personally prefer a light to medium coverage. I don't like anything too heavy. For me, skincare is really important, so I do that. And then for the brows, I did the KVD vegan pomade and bleach. This is just nice because I did finally start bleaching my brows, but the natural color of your brows starts to quickly grow back in, so this is a nice thing to just cover it. And then just to prep my lips as we're going along the tutorial, I am using the Doubledown Cosmetics Vegan Spearmint Lip Balm. This is my favorite lip balm, and I do have a code down below. It is just Shauna to get you money off on all their products. And while it is an affiliate code, it is a brand that I fully stand behind. They are Black owned, they are family owned, they are a clean beauty brand. They are amazing. I love them. They are run by a husband and wife team, and they have been an amazing support, and they're part of the reason that I'm even doing this video today. So without further ado, let's just get right in and get started. So first I'm just going in with turmeric shot, and with a fluffy brush I'm putting that in the crease on both sides. Next I'm going in with mint leaves, and I'm putting that in the inner corner on both sides. To blend between those colors, I'm putting apple strawberry and just kind of going back and forth, diffusing the area. brush, I am adding Watermelon Detox on the lid on both sides. Now, just to give a bit more of dimension and pop, I am adding lemon wheatgrass on top of that on both sides. This is a really foiled, beautiful, beautiful metallic shade. Show the color here, but I'm going in with Energy Boost, which is a blue color on the bottom lash line, and I am using a smaller flat brush. Smaller flat brush, I am using Berry Beach in the outer portion of the lower lash line. Larger, still somewhat flat brush, I'm just diffusing that out, blending it out, and spreading the color out further. Now I'm taking another one of those beautifully foiled shades. It is Blueberry Burst, and I am placing that in the very inner corner on both sides. Forgot to show again, I am taking coconut water now and using that as a brow highlight. I normally don't use a matte shade for the brow highlight. I usually prefer a shimmer, but I kind of felt in this instance that I've already used so many different colors on the eye that it was fine to just go ahead and do that. And now I am awkwardly applying mascara. I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. It is my absolute favorite mascara. I'm going in now with the Fenty Beauty Shady Biz shade of their bronzer. It's my favorite bronzer. I'm not really a big contour person, so I do like an all-over kind of color, and Shady Biz is a great lighter tone shade of bronzer for me. Highlighter, I am using my absolute favorite and most used highlighter, which is the Status by Doubledown Cosmetics. It is a beautiful light rose gold highlighter. It is super, super shimmery, glowy, just beautiful. It is not glittery, but it is very, very shiny, bright, just stunning. In the sunlight, it's amazing, and I'm hoping that I did it justice by showing a profile view of it. If you don't have it, you do need it. Next, I am going in with my lipstick color. using Minted Cosmetics. I believe it's a satin lipstick. It is the shade Pretty in Pink, which is a nice neutral shade with a pink tone to it. And to finish off the lip, I am adding Doubledown Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade The Runaway. It's just a very nice light colored nude, and it's not sticky, but it has a nice shine. I really like the formula of this lipstick. So this is the final look that I came up with. I am really happy with how it turned out. I know some of the angles may have been weird. I do have a difficult time seeing at times. I have to get really close in the mirror. But I'm really happy with how it came out, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this, and definitely stay tuned. I am going to do my best to post videos regularly. It's going to take me some time to really be able to properly edit these, because this is something that's new to me, even though doing makeup is something that I'm very used to. But yeah, I had a good time, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you'll come back for more. Thank you. Bye.